So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add a GIF or a GIF to a video here on InShot. I'm not 100% sure how you pronounce it actually. Is it GIF, GIF, whatever. Regardless, here's how you guys can add one. Go ahead, you have your video right here. If you want to go ahead and add it, press on stickers. Then go ahead and press on there's a bunch of different options right here, so go ahead and press stickers right here. Once you guys are here, make sure that the GIF tab or the GIF tab is selected. So if you want to go ahead and add a GIF right here, we can go ahead and add this one as an example. I'll press the check mark right here, and I'll just make it a little bit larger. So if I were to go ahead and play the video as an example, I now have the GIF or the GIF inside the video, and you can press on check just like that. So once again, play the video, there's the GIF or GIF, just like that. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can add a GIF to a video here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.